In this tutorial, we will learn how to select and deselect various type of frames or properties or shells in the ETABS program. To understand that, we need to go to select option. Again, left click on select. All these options will come here. On the top is a pointer window. After that, it is showing option of poly, intersecting line, coordinate specification, object type, properties, labels, groups, stories and all. To select all the types of object in the ETABS program, user can just left click on all. Now you can see that all type of frames in the plan and as well in elevations has been selected. We can again left click on select and then deselect and then all. So with this option we can just select all types of frames and then also again deselect all type of frames. After the second option is stories. As the word denotes that when we click on story, if you want to select story 4, left click on select, then you will see that story 4 is now selected. As in the planet story 6, so it's not showing here. But when we left click on move down a list option for 2 times, then you can see that story 4 is now selected. To deselect that, we can just left click on deselect and now the story 4 is now deselected. After that, third option is groups. If we have defined some groups in the ETABS program, then with this option we can select those groups. After that, labels. For example, if we want to select a particular frame label, for example, if you want to select B9 in the ETABS model, left click on B9, left click on select, then you can see that B9 is now selected. Again, left click on deselect, close. After that, fourth option is object type. For example, if you want to select all types of columns, then we can just left click on columns, select. So you can see now here that all types of columns are now selected, irrespective of the property which is assigned to those particular columns. After that, if we want to select, for example, all type of beams, then you can just left click on select. So now all types of beams are now selected. After that, another option is properties. For example, if you want to select a particular material property, then we can just, for example, if you want to select 4000 psi, left click on select, those material properties will now get selected. After that, another option can be intersecting line, intersecting poly or pointer window. Pointer window is like this. So we can just draw a pointer window or a drag area and then all the beams and slabs or columns which comes in that particular drag area will get selected. After that, another option can be poly. So we can just draw polygon like this and then right click. So all the beams and all the frames and all the columns and all the slabs that come in that particular polygon will now get selected. Similarly, all the options that we had studied in select are almost available in the deselect program. Similarly, we can also study inverse selection. For example, if we have selected these beams and columns, if we want to select the inverse, then we can just left click on inverse selections. So except this, all beams in columns and slabs are now selected. Press escape button on your keyboard to escape this command. So we can just either left click on get previous selection or either just press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. So the previous selection will now get selected.